Look at the mugshots here on the monitor. Recent social media posts in various Huntsville-focused Facebook groups warning you that they are serial killers targeting this area. Well, it's false. I'll repeat, they are not serial killers. The Verify team and Huntsville police want you to know how you can do some at-home detective work before sharing clickbait posts like these. HPD and the Verify team have noticed at least 3 separate posts over the past week in various Huntsville Facebook groups with variations on this theme. The posts claim a suspect or pair of suspects go into neighborhoods, knocking on people's doors, claiming to be homeless. Each post claims the suspect viciously attacked a single mother in her 30s. And the posts also claim the suspect stole a car from a woman in her 80s. In each post, the name of the victims vary, but that narrative remains the same. Strangers in Huntsville neighborhoods knocking on doors, claiming to be homeless, and attacking their victims. Huntsville police say posts like these are designed solely to spread fear and disinformation. So what can you do if you see a post like this? HPD says a good red flag is to see if comments are disabled on the post. If they are, this is a good indication that the account doesn't want people to debunk the claim and keep the scam going. Our Verify team uses free-to-access reverse image search engines like TinEye and Google Images. It's to confirm photos that come into our newsroom. So we did that with each of the mugshots we showed you earlier. In this case, this photo connected us to a Facebook page of the Yakima County, Washington Sheriff's Department, who arrested this man in September for the murder of his girlfriend. In the case of the other photos, they were also connected to arrests for various crimes in other parts of the country. None of them are considered serial killers, and none of them have any connection to crimes under investigation in Huntsville. The Verify team is dedicated to debunking misinformation and giving you the tools for you to make informed choices in the media you consume. If you have something you'd like verified, email us at news@fox54.com. You can also text your question to 202-410-8808 and visit verifythis.com to sign up for newsletters and see more Verify reports.